Hello everyone, welcome to join us today. I'm your host Joe. Before we start to introduce our new product for our Teamgroup brand, we want to share with you guys something. We want to talk about why we're going to create this Teamgroup brand and what is the true spirit of this Teamgroup brand. So now we invite our Vice President of our Strategy Business Division, Jonathan, to share all our new thoughts of this Teamgroup brand. Let's welcome Jonathan.
As PC performance continues to progress, content creation and designing tasks has grown into a big portion in the diversified PC applications. Vast amount of creations such as editing photos, making home videos, composing music, and drawing contents are shared almost instantaneously through social platforms such as YouTube, Twitch, Reddit, and Wix Music. All these content creations has brought unprecedented market opportunities in many industries. In order for creators to have the most optimized PC to create, Teamgroup has developed a new brand called Teamcreate, which is specifically aimed at digital creators, providing stable, powerful, and efficient tools to boost up your creative machines to greater capacity with trustworthy services. Our core value sits in designing products that are aesthetically pleasing while being functionally stable, durable, and efficient. Over 20 years of product creating experiences allow us to be the perfect designer to dive into real need of creators. We dedicated our hearts and soul into simplifying installation complexity, minimizing usage lags, and maintaining elegant aesthetics. We are confident to provide the best product because we are the creators. For artists or creators, their digital tools require harsh hardware standards in order to perform for their work. For example, in film editing, animation development, architectural design, creators look for high-performance systems in order to satisfy their demanding digital workload. During the creation process, they often execute multiple programs that require high processing power and extremely durable storage spaces for huge amount of content transferring. Teamcreate product aims to provide stable and high performance large capacity memory and large capacity storage SSD, specifically aimed at these various demanding needs of the creator and enthusiasts. We have surveyed and analyzed the top pain-causing issues for creators in their digital creating process. These are the top 5. Unstable long-term performance, processing speed is too slow, and waiting time is too long. Data transfer and backup speed is too slow. Multitasking gets stuck. Insufficient data storage spaces. Don't worry, we have heard you guys, and we have put these solutions into 2 types of product lines, Teamcreate DRAM and Teamcreate SSD. Creators can choose in our various product lines depending on their specific needs, whether it's durability, performance, or both. Teamcreate promises to have your back as creators and aim to provide solutions to your creating pain. Under Teamcreate, there are currently 3 series of product lines. Classic series, which fits the entry-level need of creating. Expert series, which will focus on performance. Master series, which is built for workstation server and applications that require the most extreme performance and durability. We aim to satisfy the different types of needs with all our Teamcreate product lines. Today, we're glad to announce the Classic series in DRAM and SSD and the Expert series SSD.
In fact, our entire Teamgroup brand hopes to differentiate from a strong visual esports style. Teamgroup hopes to hold a unique atmosphere while retaining lively attributes, expressing art aesthetic in set ways. Teamgroup discussed the bright red and black colors T-Force used in the past. It uses matte silver color on the classic level, no extra lines, and highlights the extremely elegant logo. We put enterprise level materials into this product. It has a 10-layer circuit design and customized high temperature resistant capacitors, which can maintain stable transmission of the signal and the durable characteristics. Considering creation, often requires multitasking. A single DDR4 memory has a large capacity of 32 GB. Whether downloading hundreds of audio samples, editing billion pixel images, or running multiple virtual machines, it can perform smoothly and act as the best partner of the creators.
The style of T-Create SSD will match with the DRAM series. The same grade will have unified visual sense, which will strengthen the creator's awareness and conversions towards the product. The Classic series also use matte silver color with extremely elegant logo aesthetics. In the Expert series, we choose Titan Gray. The darker color can show a prudent style, as if it contains immersed energy. In terms of T-Create Classic SSD, we provide M.2 PCIe and SATA, two different interface SSDs, for creators to choose judging by their needs. Both SSDs use customized and stable firmware, limited 3D TLC flash chip to provide high stability, protect creators' pressure creations. In addition to providing TB level large storage capacity to meet the needs, it also supports high-level LDPC debugging mechanisms, taking into account in both security and completeness, making creation more easy. In the Expert SSD series, we also provide M.2 PCIe and SATA, two different interface SSDs for creators to choose judging by their needs. In addition to the features of Classic SSD, the biggest enhancement of T-Create Expert SSD is its durability. Highly customized and durable enterprise-level chips with a TBW value up to 12,000 TB, providing worth only 12-year warranty, showing our confidence in the stability and the durability of this product, allowing creators to have the one and only real secure storage space. Under our planning, there are even high-level products that we have not shown. T-Create will continue to consider the actual needs of creators, launch tailor-made, high-quality products, and become creators' best choice. Please looking forward.
Hello my friend, what do you think of today's brand new T-Create brand? Now we prepared several questions for our product manager. Now it's time for our QA time. Let's get it.
What is the main difference between T-Force and T-Create?
Okay, different users are in pursuit of different demands. T-Force emphasizes more on performance of high speed, quality, and strong design style. Yet T-Create put more emphasis on performance of multiprocessing, stability, and simple but exquisite design.
What is the strength on the use of 64GB kits memory for creators?
Okay, when creators use PC to perform a large number of calculations, computer needs the memory to provide a large amount of temporary space so that the CPU can effectively exert its maximum performance. In short, 64GB kit memory can save more time and allows creators to spend more time creating better artworks.
For creators, what is the importance of T-Create SSD?
For creators, the most important thing is their output. It may take a lot of time and energy to create a certain work. The entire creative process, including the material used, needs to be properly stored. The SSDs that T-Create provides is mainly to protect the output of creators. Therefore, it uses stable and high-speed performance to meet the needs of creators so that they can create with peace of mind.
How can T-Create SSD fulfill creators' needs? And what features does T-Create SSD have?
Okay, T-Create brings stable and high performance to creators. It comes from our specially customized firmware and ultra-high endurance flash IC. The purpose is to achieve higher durability. We know creators need to read and write data frequently. Also, need a high-speed transmission interface to improve create efficiency. We provide both SATA and PCIe interface, which can be selected judging by creators' computer needs.
Special thanks to our PM, Kingston and David for answering our question. This is Jennifer. See you tomorrow.
Hello my friend, thanks for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it. What do you think of our brand new T-Create brand? Please don't hesitate to access if you have any question. You can leave a comment below this video and also access it on social media. Please remember to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you, my friend. Okay, today is our second day for the 2020 product online launch. So tomorrow will be our last day for our 2020 product online launch. So stay tuned, we're going to represent you our all brand new product for Teamgroup. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I'm your host, Joe. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.